Hey friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. Last video we have discussed about I feel like. Now we are gonna discuss about I don't feel like. যখন আমাদের কোনো কিছু করতে ইচ্ছে করে না তখন আমরা ইউজ করব I don't feel like. Don't is contracted from do not. Let's some example. I don't feel like going outside. I don't feel like having tea at this moment. I don't feel like going theater. I don't feel like working on computer. I don't feel like going theater. I don't feel like riding a bike at this moment. I don't feel like sitting in our home. I don't feel like eating ice cream at this moment. So make 2 or 3 sentences. I don't feel like. It is very easy, my dear friend, and record yourself. That's all from this video. Stay blessed. Bye. Good night.